Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel again. This video I am going to show you hide your WhatsApp profile picture from everyone. You can follow this method easily hide your profile picture. Let's get started. First of all, take your phone, go to WhatsApp application. After the WhatsApp is open, look at the top right corner, click on the three dots more button. Here you can see pop-up menu, select settings. After that, scroll down slowly, find the privacy option, tap to open them. You can scroll down again, locate the profile picture option, click on it. Here you can find the who can see my profile picture. You can see 4 different options. If your phone is selected everyone, this means your profile picture see everyone easily. Keep in mind, if you decide to hide your profile picture from everyone, don't worry, this is available. To do that, simply select the nobody option. After you select it, hit the back button at the very top and you are successfully done. You have found this guide help you. Please like this video. Also subscribing to my new channel. Goodbye.